Hello friends, welcome back to the Blue Row House channel. And if you're new in this channel, you are going to find organizational, home decor, and also lifestyle videos. And in today's video, I am doing a bathroom organization slash makeover. So I am going to show you the current state of the bathroom and also the decluttering of my shelves as well. And I am expecting a new kind of like bathroom cabinet next week, so I cannot wait to organize that and install it as well. So this is going to be part one, so let's go ahead and watch it now. Welcome to my bathroom. So this is going to be a little bathroom makeover video, and I just got a new shower head, and this is from a company called Canopy. They have shower filters, so I am so excited that I will be showering with a kind of different type of water, right? Like filter water. So this is my shower. Right now the top, I'm not showing it too much because it's gross, it's dirty. And before I used to have these kind of like a shower caddy or Katie. But however, I got this acrylic shower Katie basket. They come too from Amazon. So I am going to install this, put it in here just to avoid the caddy, so I don't have to, be putting anything on the corners like before. I know it took me almost 4 years to to make over this bathroom. And as you can see, so that's one of my projects. And then I have an acrylic kind of card with all my beauty stuff. I know, it's just ridiculous. I have that, and also outside my bathroom I have this little niche. Yeah, that's another project that I started to, but I still haven't completed, and then this other one, this is where I keep all my cleaning stuff. So I'm definitely going to switch because it looks really ugly, right? It's not good. Then here's my gray rug just to match everything gray. Curtains, I switched these curtains 2 months ago. I used to have like a kind of like a creamy type. So these are kind of green sage, which goes along with the color of the bathroom, which I've been thinking, oh, should I just repaint my bathroom? But, well, maybe next year. But in the meantime, back to the main case here. My showstopper, the Canopy shower head. So when I come back, you're going to see this shelf installed. I'm also going to do a review. I will see if this is true, that it will stick there forever, and how many pounds they say that they hold. And I am not going to be screwing this shelf. I'm just going to use the adhesive and see, what's the gist, what's the true about it, right? So enough of it talking, and let's start putting that shelf together, cleaning the bathtub. Voila! So I installed these acrylic shelves, and it's super nice because when I turn on the shower, the water doesn't like hit these two trays, so that's good. So they are going to maintain, kind of dry. And I didn't install them with the screws. I used the adhesive that came, and let's see how long this adhesive thing will last. So in the meantime, I am right now spraying my tub, which is super messy. And I normally use these type of products let me see. Let me show you the brand. It's a Method Daily Shower, and it smells eucalyptus, mint, and it's non-toxic, plant-based, and I like it because when I use the other ones, oh my goodness, I have to like stay away. I can't. It's too strong for me, I guess, the chemicals, right? So I've been using these. I love this brand. I also have this one, which is almost gone, but I have another one here too. I probably should like combine, but combine these, empty this one and get the refiller. So now you see the, I'm gonna turn the lights. I hope it doesn't get too yellowish, but I have these huge mirrors that makes the bathroom super like, kind of like wide, and I have to clean them. So to clean these two gigantic mirrors, I use this glass cleaner, which is super strong. It's supposed to be ammonia free, but it's strong. So let's see how. And last time I cleaned these mirrors were like probably 4 or 5 months ago. So this thing lasts. It's really good. It lasts, or I'm being kind of like a less messy person. But I definitely have to also clean the bulbs. They are just disgusting, just full of dust. But this glass cleaner is supposed to be ammonia free, but I don't know what chemicals they have because it's, I know. I tried even one time to do the vinegar thing, but I can't stand the smell of vinegar. I love vinegar on my salads, but I probably have to put some drops. But in the meantime, this is nice because I use it every 4 months because that's how dirty these. Oh, look at that. You see? And it's super nice. I know I'm cleaning. All right. There we go. Streak free. Streak free. And let me turn off the lights. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Clean, clean, clean. And I definitely going to start scrubbing these. I've been thinking of buying the scrubbers, but you know, it's just like too many gadgets. I don't have space. What, everything in my basement now? No. I got too many things in my basement right now. You see, I have the cleaning stuff here. And start scrubbing these. And I have hair everywhere. Hair everywhere. Let's see, hair here. Get the hair out. And this thing really works because you don't have to like, you just leave it there and start running these. Well, mission accomplished. The top is super clean. And so moving along, I have the shelves. Need to find a container for that. In the meantime, I have this is like a filler with, I put it there. So, all right. So now what's next? What's next is to tackle this acrylic shelf. I want to see what I have, but I need probably garbage bags because that one is already super full, and find out what I'm going to keep, what I'm not going to keep, what I'm going to throw away. This is recycle, throw away. And yeah, so I will need to get the, let's get it. I need to find out what I have here. What do I have here? Let's probably sit down and find out. So let's go into the, let's look at the, should I start with the bottom shelf? So what I have here, these are my hair oils for my scalp, keeping that. I got these from a friend, like a scrub. She gave these to me, but I haven't used it. I probably should. This is supposed to be a makeup brush cleaner. I'm not using that. I have the soap, so let's put it in here in the back. So this is a no. What else I have here? Oh, here are my loofah stuff. Well, so I empty all the shelves, and the shelf is just so nasty. And what else? What else? My goodness. I'm feeling overwhelmed right now. I don't want to make this video too long, so it might be a part 2. So in the part 2, you're going to see probably the final result. Hopefully, I have already cleaned these and contain things in probably better containers, not this one. And that one also, I don't know, I just do not like it, but I need to have my cleaning supplies handy. I cannot be going through, you know, the basement up and down, up and down, up and down. No, I need to have my cleaning supplies here. I don't know. Maybe I should get a basket so I can just grab the basket with all the cleaning stuff up and down, up and down. I don't want to do that. And the other monster is this one. Oh gosh, I have to go through that. I have like a beauty supply little pouch of all kinds of things that I have to go through, and they should be here, not there. And yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for joining me in this journey of taking over my house. When I say taking over, I mean like organizing it, cleaning it, rearranging it. You know, get ready for 2025, for all the good stuff that is coming along. And yeah, so have a wonderful day. Bye.